So over here, you can see that I have a shape right here. And let's say what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another shape over here, just like this. And I'm going to go around and add in another shape over here as well. And for this particular shape, I'm going to go around and change around the color. So now you can see that this pattern shape is at the backmost area, while this is in the center and this is in the front. Let me just go around and change the color right here. And you can see that this is in the front right here. But what you can do is you can go around and then you can see that over here on the right hand side you got the layers right here, and that is why this particular shape is in the front. Let's say what I want to do is I want to keep this at the back, and in that case you can simply click and drag this at the back right here, and now this goes to the backmost area, as you can see right here. So that is what you have right here. So now if you want this shape over here on the middle right here, then simply go around and drag this to the middle, and this is what you have. The shapes come to the middle right here. So whatever order you have over here on the right hand side right here, the shapes gets rearranged over here just like this as well. So you can send it to the back and bring it forward, as you can see. So since this is a pattern, you can see that you can see through the pattern right here, and you can bring it forward or send it backward as you like as well. And that is how you can work around with layers inside of Pixlr Designer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe